Hi, this is Wendy, and I'm going to walk through the process of setting up a Google Drawing to be an interactive image. So from your Drive, you can click New, and then go down to More, and select Google Drawings. It's probably the easiest way to get started with a drawing. Just like Google Documents, they always start as untitled, so I like to make sure that we can rename that. Come on, buddy. Okay. There we go. And so I'm going to put together a little piece on the Supreme Court. So I'm going to copy my picture. This one is from the supremecourt.gov, so I know that my tax dollars help pay for it. It's in the public domain, so I don't need to cite it. So I can press paste onto my drawing. Now there are two different ways that we can do this. We can put in buttons as shapes, or we can put them in almost invisibly. We didn't really talk about that in our meeting together. So first I'll do a shape, and I'm going to give Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg a link. So I am going to first put in a shape. I'm going to put in a circle, and I'm just going to give her a nice little circle there, and I think I'm going to make that yellow. And then I'm going to come over to the link about her in the news that was put out on Monday. Keep it current and put in a link, paste that link in that box, and now when you click on that yellow circle, it'll take you to the link. Now I would like that yellow circle to be a little more interesting. So over in the noun project, we have these scales of justice here, and let's see, that's this particular scale. And I copy that image made by Ramzachan, so we'll give them acknowledgement in a moment. And all of theirs are vector images, so you always need to have something in back of them. We won't be able to see them, so I picked my yellow thing. And then I can also click the link button there, click apply, and we should be good to go. So now if you click on that, you'll go to Ruth Bader Ginsburg's video. Now, what if I wanted Justice Kennedy here to go to this particular link? So I'm going to copy my link there, but I don't want the button to show as much. If I go into shapes, I can go to shapes, I can pick a circle and put it over his head. I'm going to cover up Justice Kennedy for a moment there. Now, if I go into the paint bucket, it's the fill color. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it white. And then I'll go back into my fill color and I'll go down to custom. And if I slide my custom bar almost all the way down to transparent, but not quite, and I click OK, then I can click the link button while that's still highlighted, and I can paste my link in there. And now Justice Kennedy has a circle. If I decide I don't even want the circle to show, I can click the line color up here and I can do transparent. Now, he just has a very, very slight circle that you can sort of see around his head, but it's not distracting. It's not distracting like a big button. And when I click on it, then it takes me to the video page. And then when I close that, it takes me back to the picture. So you could have a visible icon or you could have an invisible icon. If you went with the almost invisible icons, you might want to click the text box and give your viewer a tip. I like to do different fonts for that, so let's go with click on each justice's head to view their information, or whatever it is you wanted to write, and then the person who's viewing it would know, oh, I need to click on their head, and you could put something on each of their heads and link those. Once you're finished with your drawing, you'll want to click share. You want to click get shareable link. And you can either set it so anyone at Breck can view, or if you want more people to be able to see it than just people at Breck, then you'd click more, and then select your on here, anyone with a link can view. They don't have to be signed in. Then you can click save, click the copy link button. Yes, this is a button, and then click done. You now have a link that you can paste into an email or into a presentation or anywhere else that you would like. And that link, let's say if I were in a different browser acting like a different person, I'm going to paste that in. It would take me to the Google drawing. And then this is what your person would see. You can see that little circle there. If I click on it, Justice Kennedy, I'm not even signed in. So there you go. Hopefully that's helpful. Thank you very much.